welcome back to our channel. And today we will be teaching you how to do the Tweety bed. And so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Let's get started. So first, if you want to do a Tweety bed, you need trapeze. If your friends have trapeze, or your cousins or anybody has trapeze, like you can use them. So step one, you want to put your foot up like this, and then you want to lean back, then you want to jump, because then you'll get up. Ooh, I'm falling. That didn't work out well. Sorry. Take two. So then you get up. Swing.
Do you need stopping?
Yes, I need help stopping. And then your foot. Wait, you know, I got it. And then you need your friend, or you can stop yourself. So you want your legs like this. So then you want you to
Pull yourself up.
like you want to pull yourself up with the metal bars
Or whatever you
or
have.
whatever, and then you'll get up. This is the Tweety bed. Cause like I'm on top of something.
And birds and like, what's it called?
Like on bird houses.
Sometimes.
I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure.
Or whatever.
Thanks for watching.
Well, you hang up, so it's called the Tweety bed.
Yeah,
Thank you for watching. Please, again, please subscribe. Subscribe. What's it?
Like, subscribe, and turn on these notifications.
Thanks for watching. Bye.